What is up, gems? You're welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this beauty pink lips balm. Very effective. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. So I'm going with my petroleum jelly and my white secrets whitening body lotion. Most of us actually don't know that most effective pink lips balm come from whitening lotion or lightening cream, because pink lip balm is more or less a bleaching something, so you have to bleach out the whole pigments on your lips if you really want your lips to be pink. So yeah, my base is my base is the white secret body lotion, and I keep on mixing and mixing and mixing. I actually don't have a measurement for my pink lip balm because I was actually doing this for a customer, and I just going with the flow. Like whenever I hear God's voice be like, my child, it's enough, then okay, I'm going to let my hands off. But then till then I still keep adding and adding. So I'm sorry if I'm not giving you measurements. So we go in with our serum. This is our serum from Carotone. Now we're going with our vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is like an all-rounder. It helps in your skin, it helps on your lips, it helps on your hair and whatnot. So it's very effective because I like the feel it gives on my lips and on the lips of my customers. Now I put my fragrance. This is actually strawberry fragrance because I wanted it to scent a little different from my normal. I always use vanilla flavoring, but I want to use strawberry because the person I'm actually making this batch for wanted strawberry. So yeah, you could actually use any fragrance. Now these are coloring. That's a liquid pigment, and I just go in with some drops depending on what I want to achieve. So I just go in with some drops and I keep stirring and stirring till I achieve my desired color. And mind you, these colored pigments are not harmful. They are more or less not doing anything. They just do what they just do to your product is just to color it. So yeah, I love what it's giving. Like damn, look at the color. It's giving cold stone ice cream. Now these are my containers. I'm putting them in. Yeah, I guess this batch is going to be very much because it's not going to be for only one person. Well, let's keep watching. So I'm done with my tutorial video, and this is the outcome. And yeah, that other half there is obviously going to be for me because it doesn't want to be great in life. Just look at the color. I mean, it's giving baby pink. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.